sometimes in large quantity one, then we are providing.
Actually, this nurseries, this under Nicobar division,
APO भी लेके आओ.
which kind of seedlings, saplings are largely this used by the habitants and other people? You are developing?
We are developing that.
I
will show you. मिला? APO भी लेके आओ और इस साल का कितना अचीवमेंट हो गया, टारगेट क्या था और इशू होएगा ना जी, बिल्डिंग इशू
हाँ वो भी है।